One of the most fascinating frontiers in longevity science is not found in the brain, the heart, or even in our DNA. It's in the gut. More specifically, in the trillions of microorganisms that inhabit the digestive tract, collectively known as the gut microbiome. For years, the microbiome was seen primarily as a digestive aid. But in recent decades, it has emerged as a powerful regulator of health, influencing immune function, inflammation, metabolism, and even brain health. And now, researchers are turning their attention to a compelling question. Could the unique gut profiles of centenarians help explain their extraordinary lifespan and resilience? Studies of long-living populations in regions such as Okinawa, Sardinia, and Italy's Salento coast reveal a common thread. These individuals tend to have exceptionally diverse and balanced gut microbiota, even in their 90s or 100s. Unlike the typical Western gut, which often becomes depleted in microbial diversity with age due to processed diets, antibiotics, and sedentary lifestyles, the guts of centenarians remain rich in key bacterial species that support metabolic and immune stability. This microbial robustness appears to be both a cause and a reflection of healthy aging. Diet plays a central role in shaping this internal ecosystem. Centenarians in the Salento region, for example, eat traditional Mediterranean diets rich in fiber from legumes, vegetables, whole grains, fruits, and wild herbs. These fibrous compounds are not just food for humans, they are fuel for microbes. Fiber-fermenting bacteria such as Faecalibacterium prosnitziae, Bifidobacterium, and Akkermansia mucinifera flourish in such environments, producing short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate, acetate, and propionate. These SCFAs help regulate the immune system, nourish the gut lining, reduce systemic inflammation, and support energy balance. But beyond just diversity and fiber fermentation, what makes the centenarian microbiome so unique is its functional composition. Researchers have found that these individuals harbor bacterial strains that are particularly good at dampening chronic low-grade inflammation, a key driver of aging and age-related disease. In fact, some microbial species found in healthy centenarians appear to produce metabolites that actively promote anti-inflammatory pathways, modulate oxidative stress, and enhance cellular repair. These bacteria may also help maintain tight gut barrier function, reducing the phenomenon of leaky gut, which allows harmful substances to enter the bloodstream and trigger immune overreactions. Interestingly, the microbiomes of centenarians don't just reflect diet, they also mirror environment and lifestyle. Many of these elders spend time outdoors, are regularly exposed to soil microbes through gardening, and consume fermented or minimally processed foods made in traditional ways. These lifestyle habits introduce beneficial microbes and microbial diversity not commonly seen in urbanized or industrialized settings. Social interaction, regular physical activity, and reduced exposure to pharmaceuticals also contribute to a healthier gut ecosystem by modulating stress hormones and improving immune surveillance. What's perhaps most striking is how the microbiome adapts and evolves with its host across the lifespan. In unhealthy aging, the gut microbiota tends to shift toward a pro-inflammatory state, with an increase in harmful bacteria and a loss of beneficial ones. But in healthy centenarians, this shift seems to be delayed or even prevented. Their microbial communities remain stable and functional, continuing to support nutrient absorption, immune balance, and detoxification. This microbial resilience is now considered a hallmark of exceptional aging. The implications are profound. If certain bacterial strains or microbial patterns are associated with longevity, it opens the door to a new class of interventions aimed not just at treating disease, but at extending the healthy years of life. Probiotic therapies, precision prebiotics, personalized nutrition, and even microbiome transplants are being explored as ways to modulate the gut toward a more youth-supporting state. The idea is not to chase one perfect probiotic pill, but to cultivate a rich and adaptive ecosystem, just as centenarians have done naturally through their daily habits. Moreover, the gut-brain connection suggests that these microbial patterns may also play a role in preserving cognitive health. SCFAs produced by gut bacteria can influence brain inflammation, neuroplasticity, and the blood-brain barrier. It's no coincidence that many long-lived individuals maintain sharp minds along with robust digestion. Their microbial allies appear to be working on multiple fronts, quietly, continually, and powerfully. In this light, the gut becomes more than just a digestive organ. It becomes a dynamic interface between the external world and internal longevity. It senses, responds, adapts, and protects. And while much research is still unfolding, one truth is already clear. A healthy gut is not just about avoiding disease. It's about building a foundation for vitality, adaptability, and extended life. Centenarians may not have known the names of their microbes, but their way of life nurtured them instinctively. In the quiet rhythms of traditional diets, outdoor living, and daily movement, they created a microbiome that supported them from the inside out. For the rest of us, the lesson is profound and actionable. The road to a longer, healthier life may pass not just through the heart or the brain, but through the trillions of tiny companions in our gut.